Hi YouTube. So Ariana has been fussy for I don't know, about an hour now. So I went on YouTube and I found this video. Maybe I can show you. Can't really see it from here, but it's the ceiling fan video. And I wanted to show you guys what Ariana does when she sees it. So I'm gonna roll it. Right now she's pretty interested in just watching this. So the screen is over here, but yeah. Alright, ready, Ari? Seriously, it's the best thing ever. I wish I'd found this weeks ago when she would not stop crying. Yeah, what's that? Do you want the full screen? Ooh. Oh my god, the amusement. Alright. So, that was Ari. She's still looking for it. Look at her.